Okay. Good morning, students, and welcome to another practical exercise on programming. For the exercise of today, we'll look at exercise 5.4 in your advanced level ICT manual. So the exercise requires you to you are supposed to input the length and width of a rectangle, and from there you calculate the area. So we're going to launch our program. To file. Normally I'm supposed to go to file new project, but since I have other project open, then I pick any of this project. Then I edit from there. I told you the importance of this first line, this in main, this parenthesis, and this return zeros. All of them must be there. So from here, I have to delete everything. Then what is supposed to be inside here? Start. The first line says int LWR int L, W, area. Let me explain this line. This line is a variable declaration. A variable in programming is a holding area for data. It's a temporal holding area for data which can change as the program is running. So what we have done in this line is saying they should give you a space in memory. They should create 3 places in memory. One is called L, one is called W, one is called area. That's the first instruction you are giving. And you said all of these variables, they should hold an integer. Integer is just a whole number. So this is a data type and these are variables. One thing you know that many different data types will have integer, we have boolean, we have float, we have char for characters, we have int for whole numbers. Then we have float for floating point numbers, that is decimal numbers. Then the next line of instruction which you are giving your computer is printf, type in the length. Printf, you open your parentheses, you open your inverted comma. Each line ends with a semicolon, and I put in the line terminator before continuing. Then whatever you type within this parentheses and inverted comma will be displayed. That is an output function. So it says type in the length. Then the next line is scanf. Scanf is an output function. It helps your program to collect. Excuse me, it's an input function. It helps your program to collect input. We have scanf. Then you have in bracket open also. Okay, we have meta comma, so you're saying percentage d comma l is the you are now saying you want to collect the length from a user. This program is interactive. You collect the length. So this percentage is saying you're collecting a decimal value, and this is now the variable. For you to collect this variable, we're supposed to put an ampersand. When you press shift and 7, you see they call it ampersand. You're putting it before the variable name. So it will help you to collect this length and put it in this your variable location L. Then the next one you're supposed to enter spaces. You're supposed to enter the width. There's /n here, so that should be on a new line. Let's copy all of this. So several times I have to just copy on some of this. This is 7. Let's take Control V. Copy just the scanner. Okay, this one has to start on this line. So now I type in the width. Then scan F. I'm going to put W here to collect the width. Then the next line says area. The variable area and the space of area, it should be assigned. It also means assign. You should be assigned what you have in the length times what you have in the width. Then every line terminator is a semicolon. Then the last one, you have a last printf statement. That's right, printf. Yeah. The area of the rectangle is percentage T. Then out of this inverted comma, make sure it is not out of this inverted comma. Percentage area. Then in your line with line terminator, which is a semicolon. This with a comma. Let's see if they can write getcha. Let's see if that is get a character at the end. And your last line will be return 0. But that one is this get ch is optional. So I can compile my program. I can to execute, compile and run. If there's any compilation error display. So now the first line is up. I will enter the length. So if I enter 12, type in there with if I enter 10, they will give me the area of the rectangle is 120. It shows that my program is correct. Now the question says you should modify this code. I'm supposed to save it as a rectangle. Then the next, say modify the program to agree to the algorithm below. Give three integers A, B, C. Calculate the product using the formula product should take A times B times C. Then they display the result in the form of the product is, the product is supposed to be 60. So this is how we're going to modify it. I'll come here now for the variables. I'll now take A, comma, B, comma, C. Those are the three. Then I also have four. Those are the four variables. So in this, enter the length. I'll just put enter, type in the value of a backslash n for a new line. Then what I'm going to collect here now will be percentage, not be ampersand L, will be ampersand A. What you should know is that C is case sensitive. So if you use small letter A, I'm supposed to continue your small letter A. If I use capital letter, I'm supposed to continue capital letter. I'm going to copy this. So I'll just change this number type in the value of B. Now change this to B. Then type in the value of B. Pick B, type in the value now of C. Then I'll also collect what I'm collecting here now is C. Then this last line. Alright. The product. Now to assign product. So product will be assigned A times B times C. And I complete with my line terminator. Then after that, I'll use now printf function. Printf the product of A, comma B, comma C is percentage G. That's my, then I write product out, comma product. And then terminator, I've edited it. Then everything is working. I'm supposed to be correct. Let me compile and see. Execute. Compile and run. To type in the value of A, if I give A to be 2, type in the value of B, if I give B to be 10, type in the value of C, if I say C should be V. The product of A, B, and C is 60. So it is correct. You can follow from all of this line. You know, at least type in the value of A. This is it. And this percentage scan F percentage G ampersand A collects this. Type in the value of B, this line. It collects this B, it has collected 10. Type in the value of C. This line helps you to collect this 3. Then put dog now, assigns all of this. Then this last line gives you this answer. So that is the end of that exercise. Thanks very much. If you have any question, you can give me.